Hey, what's up guys? So, my new welder came today. I messed around with it a bit, but I'm going to try to make something with it using this chain and some other scrap metal I have. So, let's get into this. Okay, so if you can see here, what I've decided to do is to weld these two steel 1/8 inch pieces onto this edge of this chain. I just secured it in my vise here, and I'm just gonna clip my ground wire to there. I haven't tested it if I can clip it to my actual vise, but I think I can since it's steel and there's no coating on it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to figure out if I can make a way for me to put a darkening screen on my phone, because that's what I'm using as my camera. But I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna warn you before I start, I'm awful at welding. So if I mess up and I do something wrong, tell me and I'll try to fix it. So yeah, let's get right into this. Okay, it actually doesn't look that bad. A lot better than I was expecting, at least. I'm gonna go for the other side now, and yeah. So I did do one little mess up, which was right here. Probably can just it's not going to affect anything. It shouldn't affect anything, at least. But so let's see how that turned out. Oh, shoot. It's pretty hot. It's actually pretty well. I'm going to weld this side of it now and try not to get any on this middle piece, but it's gonna be good. Okay, that is actually a lot better than I ever thought I would be this early on. So I don't know if you can see this, but that chain is completely welded on there. There's like nothing that looks awful about it. I mean, it's awful, but like, it's not that bad. And it's pretty strong, so. Yeah. Okay, crap. So I welded this on. I forgot to show you guys that. I mean, you basically know now. It's really crooked. But again, I didn't have anything to support this up, and I didn't weld it all the way, so I can easily break it off if I need to. But it's on there still pretty strong. I'm very happy with this welder, and it was only $80 on eBay. The mask I have is $20. I got it off of Amazon. So yeah, we'll start on these spikes now. And I'm missing one. Of course, okay. But I have these little metal, I don't know, dowels, I guess? I forget what they're called. But if I just kind of like stick them on like this, it'll be more of a mace looking like thing. So yeah, I'm not going to show the welding again because that was kind of hard to figure out how to put the darkening shield on. But I know it works, so I can do that in the future. But once I'm done, I'll show you with this side. Okay, so after a bit of welding, I got this. I don't have anything to do a damage test on, but it kind of looks cool, I think. We've got this whole rod. Put some duct tape on the bottom because I didn't want to take the rust out, but I didn't want to get like cut by the rust or something. So yeah, I still suck at welding if you can't tell. But I'm getting there. I'm starting to learn the basics, I think. So yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.